Good morning, everybody. Actually, it's afternoon, but for some people it might be morning. Today we are going to be making a very simple peanut butter bar. You will need your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this recipe. It is so simple. It's only 3 ingredients: peanut butter, egg, sugar, and chocolate for the top if you want chocolate. We're going to start out putting 1 cup of sugar in our bowl. One cup of sugar. 1 egg. Ta-da! 1 egg. We're just going to take our handy dandy little rubber scraper here and we're just going to mix it together. You can use chunky peanut butter for this recipe if you like. We are a creamy peanut butter family, so that is what we are using. You just want to get that sugar pretty much all combined in with that egg. Real easy, real simple. I have yet to make these for my family. And my family are huge peanut butter fans. So I figured this afternoon I would whip up a batch of them and see if they like them. Alright, once you get it all mixed together like that, you need 1 cup of peanut butter. I gotta get a big old spoon. Give me 2 seconds. Where's my spoon? Alright, and y'all know I'm not going to measure the peanut butter. I'm just going to throw it in. And to one of my subscribers who made comment in the comments about one of my other peanut butter recipes, yes, we go through a lot of peanut butter in this house. My son and I are big peanut butter toast and peanut butter sandwich people. And my husband is a big peanut butter treat person. So yes, we do go through quite a bit of peanut butter. So you'll see jars upon jars upon jars of peanut butter in my home. That looks to be about enough. We're just going to scrape this spoon off. Real easy. Okay. And all you're going to do is take your peanut butter, mix it with your sugar and egg. You can use a hand mixer for this. I don't find there's any need to dirty the hand mixer for this. It comes together so quickly.
Hey friends, let's spread some kindness. First, give me a thumbs up. Next, ring the bell for updates. And subscribe for more fun.
And there we go. Lickety split. You're going to need an 8x8 baking dish, preferably lined with parchment paper. Makes it a little easier. You are just going to dump this mixture into your pan. We don't leave any of this peanut butter behind. All right. Clear that off of your spoon, or rubber scraper, I should say. And you're just going to smooth them out into the bottom of your baking dish. It is very, very sticky, as you can see. All right. And just like that, we've got this put together. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes. I'd give it 16 and a half-ish. But we will show you what it looks like when we take it out of the oven. Ta-ta for now. These are done baking. They are coming out. That is what you want it to look like. We are going to let this cool for a little bit. And I will show you what we're going to do in the next step. We'll see you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Okie dokie, y'all. I put these in my freezer to cool for a little bit. It is completely cooled now. So we're just going to take them out of the pan. I have 2 blocks of almond bark that I'm going to melt up in the microwave. As I said, these are really easy, really simple to do. We're just going to wait for that to melt down a little bit. You do not have to do this step if you just want to eat the peanut butter bars the way they are. Absolutely fine. Alright, once you get this melted down a little bit, I'm just going to stir it around, melt it down the rest of the way. It doesn't take long to melt. About a minute in your microwave. You can use chocolate chips for this. You can use pretty much whatever you want for the topping of this. I'm just using almond bark because that's what I had on hand. Alright. It's nice and thin. Got a few chunks in it still. We're just going to mix it up until the chunks are gone. Alright, then all you're going to do Pour it on top of your peanut butter bar. I also use almond bark because it sets up rather nicely. It's not sticky and gooey. And you just spread it out on your peanut butter bar. Just like that. You're going to want to pop this back into your refrigerator or your freezer just until your chocolate hardens up all the way. 10-15 minutes, doesn't take long. And we will see you when we get ready to cut into them. See you in a little bit. Ta-ta. Alrighty, everybody. These have been in the freezer for a few minutes. We're going to pull them out. Ooh. That is what they are looking like. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Uh-oh. Puppy dog herd. And they are very soft. We're just going to cut them up. They're very sweet, so I cut them up fairly small, kind of as you would like a fudge. So, Puppy thinks she's going to get some. I probably should have cut a piece off for her before I put the chocolate on it, because now she can't have any. Alright. As I said, it is very soft. Almost like a fudge. That is what it looks like on the inside. Peanut butter goodness. 2 thumbs up. Hope y'all have a good day. And we will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.